Are you looking for a long-lasting solution to replace missing teeth? If so, join us as we explore affordable dental implants in Long Beach, California. Dental implants provide a permanent solution to replace missing teeth, and they also look, feel, and function just like natural teeth. They're widely considered as the #1 solution for teeth restoration in Long Beach and surrounding cities. For those looking for an affordable long-term solution to missing teeth, Long Beach is the place to be. Here at Affordable Dental Health Providers, you can get long-lasting dental implants without spending too much. Here at ADHP, our prices are very transparent and upfront. We post our prices right on our website. Our goal will always be to provide affordable dental implant treatment to patients in Long Beach and surrounding cities. When you visit our office in Long Beach, you can expect professional care, affordable dental implant pricing, a dedicated support staff to answer your questions and guide you through the treatment process, and convenient follow-up aftercare. If you're in Long Beach, Signal Hill, Los Alamitos, Lakewood, or Cerritos, California, visit adhp.com or give us a call today at 800-959-3732 to schedule your consultation with ADHP.